Do you want to save thousands of dollars when buying a home and still own your dream home, the one that you really love? I'm Brian Khatambakhsh, team lead at Khatambakhsh Real Estate Team. If you're like most home buyers, you have two primary considerations in mind when you start looking for a home. First, you want to find a home that perfectly meets your needs and desires. And second, you want to purchase this home for the lowest possible price. When you analyze the success of any home buyer who has purchased a home, they want to buy it for thousands of dollars below seller's asking price. While the negotiation skills of your agents are important, there are three additional key factors that must come into play long before you submit your offer. This topic has been the subject of extensive analysis by industry experts, and a summary of their findings and a specific step-by-step purchase plan for home buyers can be found in a new special report called Homebuyers: How to Save Thousands of Dollars When You Buy. If you're planning to buy a home, you owe it to yourself and your family to get a free copy of this report by calling 647-848-2652. Call for a free copy, 647-848-2652, and save thousands of dollars.